We're going to take a look at the Canvas application for the student. This will allow the student to access any materials that are needed from a particular class or series of classes on their iPhone or tablet device. The application is available for both the iPhone as well as Google Droid. So in addition to logging into a website on your computer, you can actually use the phone. The first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go to the App Store. We'll do this on the iPhone. And we're going to search for Canvas. Now when we do the search for Canvas, many different things will pop up. What we're going to look for is Canvas for Student. It should be the second or third one that appear. You're going to download that application and let it install as you would any other normal application. Once the Canvas application installs, we're going to click on Find My School. Now the Find My School, you will not see Progressive School Long Island because we're using the free version for the teachers. And so what we're going to do is we're actually going to type in the school's name free, and you will see something that says free Canvas accounts. You're going to choose that one. When you choose that one, it will bring you back to the login. Here, you're going to actually choose the login that you've already registered with Canvas. If you haven't done this yet, you should have received an email from Canvas that registers the child into the particular courses that they're in. This is the email that you're going to use, as well as the password. When you enter in your email and your password, you'll click the login button. Once you click the login button, it will take you to that student's particular set of courses. Those courses are the ones that your child has been registered to. So in this case, as an example, we have the technology course. Any courses that your student has been registered in will appear here. You'd click on a particular course, in this case we'll choose the technology, and you'll see a number of different features, such as announcements, that would be announcements that are posted by the teacher, as well as assignments, discussions, grades, and so forth. Now, in this particular case, if you choose the course module, you'll actually receive another screen that will tell you everything that's going on for that class. So the first one is announcements. And here, this would list any announcements that are currently pending in chronological order. If we choose the home module, you'll see the modules in order that are appeared. So in this case, we have a module 1 as an example. The module will then show us all of the particular items for this given module. In this case, we have introductory notes, an introduction to statistics, module 1 is a quiz, and any other items that are there. You can choose them and enter into one of them in order to see what the actual assignment or take the quiz and so forth. We can back all the way out to our courses, and we can click the burger menu at the top left. Those are those 3 lines. What this does is this gives us some of the features for this particular account. In this case, we can see that we can change our settings. We can actually change user if we need to. We can also log out. In the settings, you're given a number of options, such as email notifications, whether you want notifications to be sent via email, whether you want push notifications to your phone, or you can even subscribe to a calendar feed that is automatically generated by Canvas to provide it to, say, a Google Calendar or a Microsoft Calendar. Here we can see for email notifications, we have a number of different options of what types of information you would like to see via email, and the same would occur for push notifications. And finally, when you're done, you can actually log out, and when you log out, it will take you back to the screen. Please note that if you have multiple children, you're going to have multiple logins. Each child gets a login for their own set of classes, so you will need to log out and log back in or change user at that point.